Access the Tensor platform performed by the requester. The law enforcement agency officer connects to the TENSOR platform to create a cross-border data exchange request. The user is asked to sign in to the TENSOR platform to their assigned account using their username and password and clicking on the Sign In button. Once authentication is complete, the user is redirected to the dashboard of the platform. In the dashboard, the user is able to view information about their own profile when selecting the Profile button. Case creation, performed by the requester. To display all the cases, the user can select the Cases option from the side menu. Moreover, a new case can be registered in the system by selecting the New Case button in the overview of the cases. At this step, the user is asked to provide all the necessary information about the case. Initially, the user specifies a case title and selects the template of the case to be Biometric Data Exchange. Then, the law enforcement agency officer proceeds with filling in details about the criminal case, such as the CCN, the agency, the country, and the agent's name and rank. Additional information about the incident must be reported for the creation of the case, including the type of criminal incident, the date and time reported, the location-related information, and a description. When all information is filled, the user should select the Next Step to proceed to the case creation. The next step includes the upload of biometric evidence of the potential suspect. By clicking on Add Evidence, the user is asked to upload either single evidence or multiple evidence, such as facial images, fingerprints, or voice prints. Along with the evidence to be uploaded, the law enforcement agency officer reports relevant information about the potential suspect's biometric evidence data. Once all required information is reported, the user selects the Add button to register the biometric evidence to the relevant case and proceeds to the next step. In the final step of the case creation, the user is able to review the previously provided information about the case and the biometric evidence, and finally proceed to the creation of the new criminal case by selecting the Save option. Biometric search using 3 modalities: facial image, fingerprint, voice print, performed by the requester. The case has been successfully created, and the law enforcement agency user can now select it and navigate to the Evidence tab to initiate the biometric searching process. In the Evidence section, the user can select either specific or all of the uploaded evidence to begin the biometric indexing and searching for potential matches. In the Options button of the desired evidence, the user selects the Search Matching option, and the distributed catalog searching is initiated. Once all matching results are collected from the data space participants, the user is redirected to the Biometric Matching Results page. On this page, the dashboard displays the evidence used for biometric searching and 2 tables of potential matches, along with similarity scores. The first table displays the potential matches detected in the local database of the law enforcement agency and provides the ability to view the registered suspect profile of the local database. The second table displays the potential matches located in external databases of cross-border law enforcement agencies. Submitting the request performed by the requester. To proceed with the request, the user selects the raised suspect profile to be exchanged from external databases and clicks on the Request button. It is mandatory to provide the reason for the data exchange request and to agree to send the captured data to the owner LEA for visual verification of the matching. The user initiates the data exchange process, which requires signing the blockchain transaction through an external smart wallet, e.g. MetaMask. To sign the request, the user is asked to select the Send Transaction option, which enables the browser extension of the MetaMask smart wallet. Finally, the extension of MetaMask wallet asks the user to either confirm the blockchain transaction. The requester user is now pending a response from the data owner. External notifications for biometric data requests, performed by the data owner. The biometric data owner user is asked to sign in to the TENSOR platform of their assigned account using their own username and password and clicking on the Sign In button. Once authentication is complete, the user is redirected to the dashboard of the platform. On the dashboard, the user is able to view information about their own profile when selecting the Profile button. The data owner handles incoming requests through the Notifications section. The user is asked to select one of the incoming notifications to handle the corresponding response. Visual verification of the potential suspect, performed by the data owner. Once selecting the incoming notification to handle, the dashboard displays to the data owner the biometric evidence and case descriptive text. Moreover, the requested profile is displayed for visual verification of the potential match, based on the provided evidence. Submitting the response, performed by the data owner. The data owner is able to either accept or reject the sharing of the suspect profile. When clicking on Accept Sharing, the user is asked to select the Send Transaction option, which enables the browser extension of the MetaMask Smart Wallet. Once selected, the extension of MetaMask Wallet asks the user to either confirm the blockchain transaction. Cross-border data exchange, performed by the requester. On the requester's side, the response is no longer in a pending state, and the user can now select to view the cross-border biometric suspect profile. Finally, the dashboard displays the cross-border biometric suspect profile to the requester for further offline analysis. Once the offline analysis has been completed, the user can proceed to closing the criminal case.